again, what we were talking about, just in case you don't have access to the flag before unfolding it for an urn sequence, before unfolding it in front of the family. If you unfold it and it's upside down, if it's upside down or even backwards, you unfold and then get to this point. What you're going to do is stars over stripes, and usually this is for a casket, but we're going to make it so that we execute this so that the honor guard member at stars does wink, wink, and then we unfold to or I guess it's not unfolding, but we transition the flag to the proper sequence or the proper layout, so that the blue field is in the left hand, not the right hand, so that as the family is looking at it, when it's draped over the casket, when it's in this position, again, we don't do the angle unless we don't have the room. We always unfold or pop open to what's called tabletop. We always unfold the flat. So if you don't have the access to the flag, you can do that stars over stripes, a real quick pop there, and then begin the folding process. Okay, good, thanks.